Today I'm unboxing this huge album I got. So this is the HoneyTolly large photo album, and it comes in a case, which I like. So this is what the album looks like. I got the one in red. The cover is made from linen material, very durable, very strong. It gives that retro exclusive style, and it also is wear resistant. And I love that the size is a big album. This album is 13 inches width by 12.8 inches on the external, and on the internal we have 12 by 6 width by 11 inches. So you get 60 sheets, 120 pages, so both sides you can fill it up with pictures, and the pictures can hold 600 4 by 6 pictures or 120 8 by 10 pictures. I love the fact that this is quite sticky. So what you do is that you can just open it up like this, and you can put your pictures. So I'm going to put some memorable pictures that I have from when my girls were little, and it sticks on it, so you don't have to worry about your pictures falling out. I also love the fact that this can be a great gift that you can give someone and keep memory going on and on. And as you can see, the film doesn't get all rumpled up. If you do have bubbles, it comes with a squeegee that you can use to put the film back. So I can just use the squeegee to put the film back, and this looks so beautiful. Very, very adorable, very, very durable, and this is something that we'll keep in the family, and I absolutely love it.